Good day. I got the decal on the right side cover of my GR80. There's a procedure the manufacturer recommends to follow. You'll need a hairdryer, alcohol, and Windex. And they say you can water it down. I put 50% water, 50% Windex. Seemed to work okay. So the first step is to clean the side cover with the alcohol. Dry it. Then remove the decal from the sheet like that. Spray the back of it with Windex and spray the side cover with Windex, and then position the decal on. And you can sort of position it around with the liquid on there like that. And then you start to squeeze out the wrinkles using a sponge. And heating up the surface a bit with the hairdryer helps. It makes the decal a little more pliable to get those wrinkles out. And worked pretty good. That decal stuck like shit to a blanket to that side cover. Ain't coming off, I don't think. So I'll continue with the rest of the body components and have a look at her once it's all decaled up. Thanks for watching.